Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Kashif and I'm an IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS and spoken English. I also work with different kind of students in developing their English proficiency, either it's metric, intermediate or bachelor's. I have also the honor of teaching many graduates, even bachelor's, master's, MPhil or PhD people to help them achieve good score in IELTS. You also watch my videos on TikTok, Facebook, and my YouTube channel IELTS with Kashif. And some people commented on my videos and demanded that, sir, can you please tell us how we can prepare for computer-based tests? Let me tell you one thing clearly, that paper-based test has been vanished from Pakistan. Now you can only go for the computer-based test. For that, you need to have a good typing skill and you need to have a familiarity with computer using laptop or computer. In academy, we prepare physically first a little bit, then we take them on computer. We have a lab over there in Barful Education Services, which is on Garipura Road, Gujarat, and we train them on different portals. This is one of the portals which is not paid, and you don't need to log in, you don't need to make an account. I can show you how you can go towards that page. I can close it here and we can open a new page. This you'll have to type engnovate.com, engnovate.com. It's a free website, free web portal where you can practice for IELTS. You don't need to log in. There are some options like courses, AI conversations, writing, pronunciation. You don't need to go anywhere. There's only one tab you need to follow, that is what IELTS. When you click on the IELTS, the box appears in which the written is IELTS test. From there, you can select reading, listening, or writing, even speaking, right? First, we'll go towards the listening module. Here's you type on the listening test, and there's a reading. First, we'll go with the reading text as it was demanded that kindly make a video on reading test. You click on the reading, there's academic and general training. They have uploaded all the books over here. You have 38, 39, 40 pages. So you can click on different activities like summary completion, matching features, matching information. You can click on any activity that is summary completion. There's a 4 or 5 questions of summary completion. There's a paragraph over here and you can fill up and check. So you'll submit and that will tell you the score of your activity. That is how you perform the activity. We'll go back. We can click another activity like true false. We'll go for the true false option. There's 1 to 6 true false and there's a passage you have got, right? And you'll click on the true false like this one, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and 6. Now if you click the submit button over here and okay, that will give you the test report that you got 2 out of 6. So you performed an activity of true false in which there were 6 questions and you got 2 right and 4 wrong. So this is your result card over there. Certainly you won't have to wait a little bit for the test score. You go back. First, I will suggest you, when you start, you practice different activities, right? When you have practiced different activities in a good way, then you can go for the full test. See here, there is a written full test. You can click on the full test, take test. Now your actual test will be like same as it is looking like here on the portal, exactly same. On the left side you'll have a passage, you can scroll down, and on the right side you will have questions from 1 to 13. Like you will see 1 to 7 is filling the blanks and 8 to 13 is true false, right? This is a passage 1, part 1. You can see timer is started here, so you can count the time. How long do you take to complete one passage? If you scroll down, you will see there's a part 1 and you can click on the next arrow. Now there's a part 2. See, there's a part 2 and there is again a passage on the left side, the question 14 to 17 is filling the blanks or matching information and filling the blanks, and list of people you got here, right? Second passage, right? Submit button is at the end. So you complete the second passage and then you can click on the third next arrow. You'll find the third part, part 3. There's a passage and there are questions up till 40, right? So these are 40 questions, and at the end you will know how long did you take to complete the test. And when you will submit that button, okay, you'll find the result over here, that how many marks you got out of 40. That is the best way to practice reading on the portal. We don't take directly students to the portal. First we make them practice manually on different activities, then we can take them on computer. But obviously if you're not hiring any instructor, you're not going to any academy, still I am giving you the link of that portal. I'll also post the link in description as well. I have already posted this portal link on my videos on YouTube channel, which is IELTS with Kashif. You can go, you can practice, and hopefully you'll get good band. If you have practiced there, you get 30, 31, 32 marks, and definitely you can get 30 marks in your actual exam. All right, this was video about the reading test, and I'll come with the listening with a different video. All right, thank you very much.